All aboard! Choo-choo, here we go! The shape train's ready and it's rolling down the track. Let's learn some shapes and we're never looking back. All aboard the shape train, come along with me. We'll find shapes everywhere, just wait and see. Triangles, squares, and circles too. So many shapes for me and you. Through the triangle tunnels, hold on tight. 3 little sides, what a wonderful sight. 1, 2, 3, and corners 3. Triangles are fun as they can be. Point, point, point. Corner, corner, corner. Can you spot the triangle? Let's look a little closer. All aboard the shape train, come along with me. We'll find shapes everywhere, just wait and see. Triangles, squares, and circles too. So many shapes for me and you. Next stop, welcome to Square City. 4 equal sides, neat and pretty. Windows, doors, and buildings tall. Squares are hiding in them all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count each side once more. Squares have corners just like that. 4 sharp points, now give a clap. All aboard the shape train, come along with me. We'll find shapes everywhere, just wait and see. Triangles, squares, and circles too. So many shapes for me and you. Swish and splash on the circle ocean. Round and round like waves in motion. Circles roll and never stop. No straight lines and no corners on top. Round bubbles, round fish, round sun high. No edges here, just curves all sky. What else is round? Let's call them out. Circle fun, let's sing and shout. All aboard the shape train, come along with me. We'll find shapes everywhere, just wait and see. Triangles, squares, and circles too. So many shapes for me and you. Look ahead, what do we see? A grand shape parade for you and me. Triangles dance, squares march proud. Circles roll by, laughing loud. Shapes together, side by side. Every shape with happy pride. Step to the beat, clap hands and say, shapes are everywhere, every day. All aboard the shape train, what a ride today. We learn shapes in every way. Triangles, squares, and circles too. Shapes are everywhere, and now you know them too. Choo-choo, thanks for riding. Keep your eyes wide open. Look around and play. You'll find shapes everywhere, every single day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Shape Train fun on the next ride.